The industrial internet promises to revolutionize industrial operations by introducing unprecedented levels of internet connectivity. The promised new features and efficiencies are compelling benefits, but every internet connection is also an attack vector. A compromised cloud can send attacks inside encrypted connections right back into industrial sites. Waterfall's Unidirectional Cloud Connect enables the benefits of the industrial internet without the risks to operations that come from connectivity. Waterfall's Cloud Connect is an edge gateway based on Waterfall's industry-leading unidirectional gateways. Unidirectional hardware lets information move out to the internet and lets no attacks whatsoever back into industrial networks. The Cloud Connect gateway gathers data from industrial sources and edge devices, including those supporting IoT protocols such as MQTT. The gateway translates that data into cloud-friendly formats if required and pushes the data through one-way hardware safely out to the cloud. Cloud Connect supports predictive maintenance, operational equipment efficiency, outsourced security monitoring, and other big data analysis applications. Unidirectional Cloud Connect enables the benefits of the industrial internet without incurring the risks of internet connectivity.